Hello everyone. Well to the ride reviews. Subscribe now channel. Sure. Here's a detailed overview of the Honda Amaze, covering its design, features, engine, dimensions, and variants based on the latest generation available in 2024. Honda Amaze full information. 1. Overview. The Honda Amaze is a compact sedan primarily designed for markets like India. It offers a balance of affordability, comfort, and efficiency, and is often praised for its refined engine and spacious cabin. It competes with cars like the Maruti Suzuki Dzire, Hyundai Aura, and Tata Tigor. 2. Design and exterior. Bold front grille with chrome accents. LED projector headlamps in higher variants. C-shaped LED tail lamps. Dual-tone ORVMs with turn indicators. Alloy wheels in higher trims. Rear defogger and chrome accents for a premium look. 3. Interior and comfort. Dual-tone dashboard, black and beige. Touchscreen infotainment system, 7-inch, with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Automatic climate control. Push-button start-stop with smart key. Cruise control in higher variants. Rear AC vents missing due to compact size, but cabin cools quickly. Large boot space of 420 liters. 4. Engine and performance. Petrol engine. 1.2 L IVTEC petrol. Power 90 PS at 6,000 RPM. Torque 110 Nm at 4,800 RPM. Transmission 5-speed manual CVT automatic. Diesel discontinued in BS6 Phase 2 from 2023. Fuel efficiency. Petrol manual 18.6 km/L. Petrol CVT 18.3 km/L. 5. Dimensions. Length 3,995 mm. Width 1,695 mm. Height 1,501 mm. Wheelbase 2,470 mm. Ground clearance 170 mm. Boot space 420 liters. Fuel tank capacity 35 liters. 6. Safety features. Dual airbags standard. ABS with EBD. Rear parking sensors. Review camera in higher trims. ISOFIX child seat anchors. Impact mitigating headrests. 7 variants 2024. Available in 3 main trims. E base. S. VX top. Each trim has manual and CVT, automatic, options for petrol engines. 8. Price India, ex-showroom, approximate. Starts around 7.2 Indian rupees lakh. Goes up to around 9.8 Indian rupees lakh for the top petrol CVT variant. Would you like a comparison with a rival car or upcoming facelift details like the one in your image? Thanks for watching.